Years ago, I made this miter sled based on Steve Ramsey's design. A miter sled is just a really simple sled that lets you cut 45-degree cuts that come together to make a 90-degree corner, such as on a picture frame. There are two problems with this sled, though. One is that I made it too small, so it doesn't support larger picture frame pieces. The other is that I thought close enough would be good, so this is actually maybe half a degree or quarter of a degree off. Across 4 corners, that means it's 1 or 2 degrees off, which is a noticeable amount. So time to get rid of this one and make something new. All right, we did it. We have a new miter sled. This one ended up combining kind of Steve Ramsey's design like we saw in my old one and Jay Bates' design, which gives it this funky stealth fighter look. The nice thing combining those two is that it has support for really, really wide picture frames, which are wider than I'll probably ever need, but also support for taller pieces, such as making a box. Since this is just a shop project, I finished it off with boiled linseed oil. That's an easy finish to apply, and at least to me, it smells nice, which is always an important consideration in picking your finishes. Unfortunately, there's two problems with this particular sled. One is that I made it too small, so it doesn't adequately support longer picture frame pieces or even wider ones. And the other is that my neighbor is using his saw.